Are you tired of guessing which AI model is actually the best for your daily tasks, content creation, or business workflows? With so many new language models releasing every single week, figuring out which one to use can be overwhelming. Today, we are diving deep into Arena AI, the official AI ranking and LLM leaderboard platform. This tool is designed for content creators, developers, small business owners, and anyone who wants to objectively test, compare, and find the absolute best AI models on the market today, all in one place. Whether you are generating code, writing marketing copy, or doing deep market research, Arena AI lets you test models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini side by side to see which one truly performs the best for your specific needs. If you are interested, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. Throughout this video, we are going to walk through the entire platform. I'll show you exactly how to navigate the interface, share tips and tricks on how to structure your prompts to get the best evaluations, and explain why you should prefer Arena AI over committing to a single AI platform right from the start. We will also explore the brand new Agent Mode, which allows you to execute complex multi-stage workflows without having to constantly re-prompt the AI. Before we get started, if you haven't signed for Arena AI yet, then make sure to use the link which is given down below in the video description. Let's get started. When you use the link in the description to access the Arena AI dashboard, this is the main hub you will see. Right off the bat, you will notice that the layout here is designed to be completely distraction-free. There are no cluttered sidebars, no aggressive pop-ups, and no confusing menus. It is a streamlined, clean interface focusing entirely on functionality and testing. So why should you prefer Arena AI over just opening up a standard chatbot? The absolute biggest reason is unbiased testing. We all have our natural biases. If you are used to using ChatGPT every day, you might automatically assume it is the smartest model for every single task. But the AI landscape is moving incredibly fast. When you test a prompt here in Arena AI, especially in the blind testing modes we will cover shortly, you aren't influenced by a brand name or a sleek logo. You are judging the output purely on the quality, the accuracy, the tone of voice, and the formatting of the text provided. This platform forces you to look at the actual results, which might just surprise you. You might find that an open source model you have never heard of actually writes much better marketing copy than the major commercial models. Furthermore, this setup saves you an immense amount of time. Think about what your workflow probably looks like right now when you want to compare outputs. You likely have 4 or 5 different browser tabs open. You copy a prompt, paste it into tab 1, wait for the generation, go to tab 2, paste it again, wait. Then you are constantly clicking back and forth between tabs trying to remember which model gave you the better introductory paragraph. Arena AI eliminates all of that friction. Instead of juggling tabs to test how different AI models handle a single blog post outline or a complex Python script, you can do it all right here on this single screen. Let's take a closer look at the navigation panel. On the top left, you have a drop-down menu that serves as your mission control. This menu gives you instant access to the core features of the platform: battle mode, side-by-side, direct mode, and agent mode. Each of these serves a very specific purpose depending on where you are in your workflow, and we are going to break down exactly how to use every single one of them. Before we dive into those specific modes, I want to share a quick design trick for your workflow. Because Arena AI is fundamentally a testing ground, you want to be as consistent as possible with your inputs. I highly recommend always keeping a separate notepad or document open on your computer with your most frequently used prompts. You want to easily copy and paste your standard everyday business prompts directly into the chat bar here. For example, instead of just typing a basic question, you might paste something highly specific like, write a 300-word product description for a standing desk. The target audience is remote workers experiencing back pain. Use a professional but empathetic tone and include 3 bullet points highlighting the ergonomic benefits. By using detailed, standardized prompts like this across the platform, you can accurately baseline exactly how different models react to your unique style and requirements. This is how you truly figure out which AI is going to save your business the most time. Let's start with Battle Mode, which is arguably the most important feature on the platform. This is the core engine of Arena AI. It is the exact tool that crowdsources the data for their famous public leaderboard. When you enter Battle Mode, you are not just talking to one AI. You are chatting with 2 state-of-the-art language models simultaneously. But here is the catch, and this is what makes Arena AI so unique. You have absolutely no idea which models you are talking to. They are completely anonymous. Model A could be the newest version of OpenAI's GPT-4o, and Model B could be an open-source model from Meta like Llama 3, or even an unreleased prototype that a developer is testing before it hits the market. Let me show you exactly how this works in practice. I am going to paste a generic business prompt into the chat bar down here. Let's ask it to create a 1-week social media content calendar for a local coffee shop, focusing on engaging the community and promoting a new seasonal latte. Look at how both models stream their answers side by side. But, as a user, your job right now is to evaluate them. You aren't just looking for basic facts. You are judging the formatting, the tone of voice, the helpfulness, and the creativity of the ideas. For example, take a look at the screen. Model A might give us a standard, blocky text response with bulleted lists, but Model B might have formatted the exact same information into a clean markdown table with specific columns for the day, the content pillar, the platform, and the exact caption to use. For a marketing task, Model B's formatting is obviously much more useful. Now, a major pro tip when using Battle Mode: do not just cast your vote based on the very first prompt. The best way to test an AI is to engage in a multi-turn conversation. I always recommend asking a follow-up question to see how well the models remember context and handle refinements. Let's type in, "Can you rewrite Tuesday's post to sound more energetic?" and add relevant local hashtags. Once you have tested them and you are satisfied with your evaluation, it is time to cast your vote. You have 4 options down here. A is better, B is better, tie, or both are bad. Watch what happens when I click my choice. The platform instantly reveals the identities of the models. This reveal is highly educational. You might discover that a free open-source model actually outperformed an expensive commercial one for your specific writing style. And your vote actually matters. When you click that button, your preference is logged into their database. They use a statistical system based on the Bradley-Terry model, which is very similar to the ELO rating system used to rank chess players, to update the global scores. Every time a model wins a blind battle against a highly rated opponent, its score goes up. By doing this, you are helping the entire developer community figure out which AI models are currently the smartest in real-world, human preference scenarios. Now, Battle Mode is incredible for discovery and unbiased testing. But what if you are a developer, an agency owner, or just a power user who already knows exactly which 2 models you want to test against each other? That is where side-by-side mode comes in. Using the link below to access the platform, you can jump straight into side-by-side mode. Instead of anonymous models, you get drop-down menus at the top of the screen. Let's say you have a massive dataset, and you want to see how the newest version of Anthropic's Claude 4.5 Sonnet compares directly against OpenAI's flagship GPT 5.2 for a complex data analysis task. You simply select Claude on the left, ChatGPT on the right, and paste your prompt. This is incredibly useful for developers or business owners who are deciding which API they want to integrate into their own software, or which subscription is actually worth paying for this month. You can use side-by-side mode to test edge cases, logic puzzles, or complex coding requests like this React component. Because you know exactly who you are talking to, you can figure out very quickly if Claude is better at formatting the code, or if ChatGPT provides better inline comments for your team to read. It is the ultimate head-to-head comparison tool, completely customized by you. But what if you don't want to compare anything at all? What if you just want to get to work? If you just want a clean interface to talk to a single model without any side-by-side comparisons, you can use Direct Chat. Direct Chat acts exactly like a standard ChatGPT interface, but with one massive advantage. It gives you access to dozens of top-tier models from a single dashboard. You can select a proprietary model from Google, Meta, Anthropic, or OpenAI, and the best part? It is completely free. This drastically streamlines your workflow because you don't have to juggle multiple $20 a month subscriptions just to access different AI ecosystems. You can do all your daily content creation, email drafting, and brainstorming right here in Direct Chat, switching between the smartest models on the planet whenever you feel like it. Next, I want to show you what is arguably the most powerful and exciting update to the entire platform: Agent Mode. Up until this point, we have been looking at single-turn or multi-turn text generation, but Agent Mode pushes the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can do by unlocking autonomous, multi-step workflows. When you enter Agent Mode, you aren't just talking to a text predictor anymore. You are commanding an AI agent that has access to advanced external tools. This mode gives the AI the ability to perform live web searches, generate images, write and execute code in a secure sandbox, and even read file attachments. Instead of you acting as the project manager and breaking a massive task into 20 isolated manual prompts, Agent Mode is smart enough to handle the project management on its own. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I am going to give the AI a high-level goal. Let's ask it to research the top 5 competitors in the organic skincare market, analyze their pricing strategies by browsing their current websites, and generate a competitive analysis report. Now, watch the screen closely. As it processes the request, you can actually observe the agent's chain of thought reasoning unfold step by step. You will see indicators pop up showing that it is actively opening a browser, running a search query, reading the live websites, and compiling the data. This drastically reduces the friction of getting complex things done. A major productivity trick here is to use Agent Mode for your heavy lifting, like deep market research, workflow automation, or scraping financial data. You just give it the destination, and the AI will iterate, use the necessary tools, and execute the steps required to deliver the final product. It is like having a dedicated research assistant right inside your browser. Finally, let's take a look at the crown jewel of the platform, the leaderboard. As you and thousands of other users cast your votes in battle mode, all of that crowdsourced data is compiled into a massive statistical ranking system based on the ELO rating method. This isn't just a simple top 10 list. This leaderboard tracks hundreds of models across the entire AI ecosystem. But what makes this truly invaluable for your business is the filtering system. Look at the tabs across the top. You don't have to look at the overall score if that doesn't fit your needs. You can filter this leaderboard by coding, hard prompts, creative writing, or even math. If you are a developer starting a new software project today, you shouldn't just guess which AI to use. You come here, click the Coding tab, see which model is currently dominating that specific category, and you use that model for your work. If you are a copywriter, you click Creative Writing and find the model that excels at tone and structure. By using this leaderboard, you take the guesswork completely out of your business operations. You are always guaranteed to be using the smartest, most capable tool for the exact job you are doing. Arena AI is a remarkably powerful ecosystem that truly brings transparency, speed, and efficiency back into how we use large language models. By allowing you to blindly test, objectively verify, and autonomously execute your workflows, it ensures that you are always using the absolute highest quality AI for your specific tasks, rather than just defaulting to whatever subscription you happen to have open in another tab. Whether you are a developer looking for the most accurate coding assistant, a content creator trying to generate more engaging marketing copy, or a small business owner wanting to automate complex research, having a single, unbiased hub to compare everything is a massive competitive advantage. If you are interested, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. It will completely change the way you interact with artificial intelligence on a daily basis and save you countless hours of trial and error. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this platform, and I am incredibly curious about your own testing. Which AI model has been giving you the best results lately for your specific workflows? Has a free open source model surprised you, or are the major commercial ones still winning your blind battles? Let me know by leaving a comment down below. I read through all of them, and I always love seeing the projects you guys are working on. And once again, if you want to streamline your workflow, eliminate the guesswork, and start testing these models for yourself right now, make sure to click the link in the description to sign up for Arena AI. Thanks for watching, keep experimenting with these incredible tools, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.